my name is Sanjushri. In my video, I am going to show how to solve question 3, which is from chapter 7, permutation and combination. Given x and y are two events with the following probabilities, which are probability of x equals to 2 over 7, probability of x given y prime equals to 3 over 7, and probability of x intersect y equals to 1 over 21. Now we are going to find the value of probability of x union y. To find probability of x union y, we need to use this formula, which is probability of x given y prime equals to probability of x intersect y prime divided by probability of y prime, which is equals to probability of x minus probability of x intersect y divided by 1 minus probability y. Now, based on the given values, probability of x given y prime is equals to 3 over 7 equals to probability of x is 2 over 7 minus probability of x intersect y is equals to 1 over 21 divided by 1 minus probability of y. Now we are going to find the probability y, which is equals to 3 over 7. We need to bring this division here times 1 minus probability y equals to 2 over 7 minus 1 over 21. Now it will become as when we times 3 over 7 minus 3 over 7 probability y, which is equals to 5 over 21. Now after we solve the question, we will get probability of y as 4 over 9. Since we find the probability of y is equals to 4 over 9, we can find probability of x union y. Probability of x union y is equals to probability of x plus probability of y minus probability of x intersect y. So we just substitute the values. 2 over 7 plus 4 over 9 minus 1 over 21, which is equals to 43 over 63. Now let's move on to the second part of the question. To find whether x and y are independent events, we need to times the probability of x times probability of y, which is equals to 4 over 9 times 2 over 7. After we multiply, we will get 8 over 63. Probability of x intersect y is equals to 1 over 21. Probability of x intersect y is not equals to probability of x times probability of y, which is 1 over 21 is not equals to 8 over 63. Hence, x and y are not independent events. That's all from me today. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. In this video, I will share about the answer for the question 3b. So the question states the probability for a person in a certain village being infected by COVID-19 virus is 0.7. A total of 20% of the people who have been infected by the COVID-19 virus are free from any symptoms, while the total of 10% of those who are not infected do show the symptoms of COVID-19 virus. So for the question B1 Roman, construct a contingency table for the events. So I have do the tables just like we have seen this, and I spread it for the 3 column, which is infected and non-infected, plus it has also have symptom and no symptom. Next, after we do this contingency table, we must put the value that we get from the question. The question states that the probability for a person in a certain village being infected by COVID-19 virus is 0.7. So, and the total of 30% of the people who have been infected by the COVID-19 virus are free from any symptoms. So the question states that the 20% of the people who have been infected by the COVID-19 virus are free from any symptoms. So free from any symptoms is like will be in this table, and infected is so the value in this table, in this bracket. So to get this value, we just multiply it with between the 0.7 and 20%. So it will be like 0.7 multiplied with 20%, so we get 40. So 40 we just put in this table. And also don't forget, questions state that the probability for a person in a certain village being infected by COVID-19 virus is 0.7. So the 0.7 must be in here. So we assume that the 0.7 is 17. So we put this value 70. Because of the probability is equal to 1, and to get this 13 value, we just minus with 1 minus 0.7, which is that 0.7 that have stayed in the question. So 1 minus 0.7, we get 0.3, and we get this value. We assume it as just like the 70. We just assume it as to 13, and we get the total 100. So for the next task, the question states, while the total of 10% of those who are not infected do show the symptoms of COVID-19 virus. So the question states the 10% of those who are not infected do show the symptoms of COVID-19. So the not infected here, and the question said do show the symptoms, which is have symptom, and the value must be in here. Then it is 10%, so 0.3 here, 0.3 multiplied with 10%, and we get 3. So we just put the value of 3 in here. So to complete the table, we just minus between this value and also this value. So 17 minus 14, we get 56 right here, and 13 minus 3, we get 27 here. So for this total, for this both total, we just add this value between this value and also between this value. So 56 plus 3, we get 59, and 14 plus 27, we get 41. So that's it. So for the question B1 Roman,
I will continue with B2 Roman. The question is, what is the probability that a village is free from any symptom? So we get the answer is 41 over with 100. We can get the answer with the table that we construct. We can see that villages that is have no symptom, that is 41, and it's over with 100 for the total of the villages. Next is B3 Roman. The question is, a villager has been tested and is free from any symptom. What is the probability that he has not been infected by COVID-19? So we can get the answer with P bracket with N intersect with T equal with 27 over 100. So we can get the answer with 27. We can get it from the table. We see that non-infected villager is 27 and it's over with 100 because the villager from the village is 100 people. Thank you.